Hey everybody, it's June 22nd, 2021, and as promised, we have Canva integration live in the studio. Let me show you how this is done. Let me show you how to create something for free and all the stuff that you can do with the power of Canva, power of Sketchfab, the power of our system, a truly easy to use, zero code, no code solution for WebAR for your stuff. Let's get started. So you can go to studio.worldcast.io and you'll see this start creating button. We're going to click that. At this point, you haven't even had to put an account in yet. You do that at the end. So I'm going to go PrintCAST. I'm going to go freemium because we're going to pick something for free. Let's call this real estate. Let's go next. Now this can be like a flyer for social justice, diversity, climate change. This could be for a lost dog. This could be for a lot of things. I'm just going to show something for business related at the moment. So let's go edit. Let's go design on Canva. So we have the options of business cards, brochures, flyers, invitations, postcards, posters. I'm going to pick business card. It's going to open up Canva right in our studio and allow us to pick a design. We have photography, yoga. You're presented with a lot of different options for your businesses. In this case, I'm going to type in real estate. It's there from my recent history. Let's find something that looks. There's a lot of choices. Let's grab this one. So once you have a design selected, you can just edit you can change the colors, you can change the graphics. Like for example, if I go to styles and I have a color hue that I like, maybe I'll grab something that's along the lines of KP9. So you can see we have lots of different choices. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that one. So I'm gonna call this KP9 Realty. And that's, like I said, you can change all the elements, but in this case, I'm just going to go export to PrintCAST. It's now exporting to our studio. Our studio is now analyzing the image to let you know how good it is for tracking and a lot of other great things, which will be covered in other tutorials. I'm going to go create, and that's going to bring it into the studio environment for PrintCAST. And so what you see is what you get environment. Across the top, you'll see rotate camera, pan camera, and zoom. So we can do those things. We can rotate, we can pan, and we can zoom in and out. In this case, I'm going to go to video. You have the option of adding one video on freemium. So you can give it a title. You don't have to if you want to use it for analytics. If you have the premium account or premium plus, that comes more into play then. Right now, we're not going to give it a name. I'm going to go select file. I'm going to grab this video that I think is a house. Now this could be your 30-second commercial about your business or your current listing. Now the cool thing is you can go back and edit this to your heart's content every day if you want, and it doesn't cost you anything else. It's like you can change it all multiple times. Even if you're a paid subscriber, you can change that as many times as you want. It's unlimited changes a month, right? So that's the right file. Let's go upload video. Now the system is very easy to use. There's a little legend at the top. In this case, we're just going to go scale. Now, since you're in a 3D environment, you can raise and lower this video or put it on an angle on your print if you want. So if you wanted your print to be on a 45-degree angle on your card, it would look exactly like this. Again, it's what you see is what you get system. A very powerful zero code, low code, no code scenario. It's not a low code system. There's zero code, no code. And that's what we've developed for you so you don't have to get into those. So let's go add some images. Freemium, you're allowed to have 3 images with 3 links. In this case, you can upload your own, of course, or you can just pick from the library. We've given a bunch of standard icons that might be used with various different colors. I'm just gonna pick Facebook and probably let's grab Instagram as well for the sake of time. So I'm gonna put the Facebook logo there, and let's grab another one, and let's grab Instagram, and we'll bring it into the system. And you'll notice over on the side here, it keeps a tally of how many views. We've used 2 of 3 of the button options, okay? So that looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna go Facebook and I'm just gonna add a URL. I'm just gonna put our website for now for both of them. I don't have any URLs for our stuff in front of me. And that looks good to me. Let's hit save. Save and publish. Once the cast is saved, you're presented with a QR code. Let me open up my phone here. Let me share my phone. Let's hop over to camera view. We'll scan that QR code. It's going to open up that cast. Let's go to the Preview Now button, which is going to bring up an image that you can just line up your phone with and make sure that that content is appearing as expected. Now, if it was a print, we'd be able to move around in real space. I'm just going to touch this Facebook button. It should go to our website, which it does. We're going to go back, and I'm going to show you, this is another example of what you could create and with templates and with items. So let's just go scan image without a QR code and give you an example of what you could do with Sketchfab without me going into that right away. So this is an example of something that you could create in our studio as well with using Sketchfab. We have 3D text, we have the ability to import 3D models. You can upload your own custom model if you go to our premium subscription, which is $10 US a month. But this is an example of what you can do for free. This is a free model in Sketchfab, and these icons are created, and was able to make this cool scenario that's all very stable tracking and all the good stuff. So let's go back to my screen here. And I'll show you another cool little feature that you could do. So a QR code works great, right? We didn't have a QR code on there before. Let's just go to the cast that we just made. And let's grab this URL. And let's go back out to cast properties and select a new file and edit on Canva. We're going to use the QR code widget that's built right into Canva. So let's go, even though we're giving you a QR code, this just saves you from having to save it and going out of the system and so on. So we're just going to go QR code, and we're going to paste the URL for that cast in there. So we're going to go generate code. It's now on there. Let's just resize that QR code so it makes sense. Not taking up too much room on our business card, but a way that people see our QR code and they go, ah, I know what that is. So we're going to go to back export to PrintCAST. It's resaving that image. It's going to reanalyze it. You can see the difference between the two here. Here's one with the QR code. So we're going to go update, and it's now brought that updated version into the studio. Okay, so let's go to let's just go preview, because we don't have to. The URL is already actually. Let's go. Yeah, so let's just go preview. And it's not saying, do you want to save or don't save? I'm not going to worry about saving. Actually, I'll go save. Let's just play it safe, because I don't want to record this twice if I haven't tested this feature. So we'll find out together. We're going to go preview now, and I'm just going to use my camera view on my phone. Let me just switch over to that. It will bring up the image of the card to let you know so if you give the card to somebody and they had a QR code on it, it would just let them know what to do without having to give them any instructions, which has always been one of the harder parts about using print-based augmented reality. So now I just aim at the card and it comes up with the content, okay? So that's it. In under 10 minutes, I was able to show you how you can create your own stuff, make it for free, and use the power of Canva. And I'm going to be giving more tutorials on how to use Sketchfab, how to use tips and tricks on how to make really awesome scenarios and content, experiences. We call them casts, and I can't wait to release more. But right now it's available. Go use it. Like, stop watching me. Go to studio.worldcast.io, pick PrintCAST, and go freemium. Pick an image, and supercharge your existing content. If you're a Canva user already, all your stuff is available that you've created already. Your stuff is PrintCAST ready. Go do it. I can't wait to see what you create, as always.